Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you MemoCore Memory Support Brain Supplement. So you might be wondering, what is MemoCore here? Or you may be hearing it online or seeing it online. Well, MemoCore is a dietary supplement designed to support memory, focus, mental clarity, and overall brain health. Now, according to the official website here, it's formulated for adults who want to support cognitive function, particularly as they get older. Now, the formula combines several nootropic and brain support ingredients, including Bacopa monnieri, lion's mane mushroom, alpha GPC, ginkgo biloba, CoQ10, magnesium citrate, and NAC, which are included to support neurotransmitter function, brain cell communication, and normal cognitive performance. Now, using MemoCore here is quite straightforward. Now, the official website recommends taking 2 capsules daily with water, preferably with a meal. Now, the manufacturer suggests taking it consistently as part of your daily routine to support long-term brain health rather than using it only when you need extra focus. Now, the official website currently lists MemoCore at around $49 per bottle during its promotional pricing here. But currently, if you try visiting their website, currently they are promoting a different product as of this moment, which according to them is the improved version, which is currently priced at around $69 per bottle, which is a 30-day supply here. Now, that's essentially what MemoCore is and how it actually works. Now, it's just a daily nootropic supplement that combines vitamins, botanical extracts, and other brain support ingredients into one formula with the goal of supporting memory, focus, and mental clarity as part of the regular wellness routine. Now, in this case, since this is a health-related supplement here, it's highly recommended to consult a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before starting MemoCore, especially if you have an existing medical condition or taking prescription medication or are considering it as part of your long-term health routine. Now, everybody has different reactions to different products, so that's why consulting and reaching out to your doctor is highly recommended. But that's about it. If you found this video, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.